Hello everyone. Today we will be teaching you the most fundamental of all gymnastics skills, the forward roll. You might have seen it used in dance routines as well. Body control that involves engaging the chest can be challenging. The forward roll is an ideal skill for beginners to level up their core strength and control. To make it easy to understand, we'll proceed step by step. The related video link is available in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. The forward roll requires preparation and focus on 3 key points. By understanding these points, many people can achieve a smooth and impressive forward roll. Step 1. Preparation position. Start by taking the ready position. Standing posture. Keep your body stable. From there, squat down slowly. Bring your hands in front of your chest. If you can balance in this position, your preparation is complete. Step 2. Press your hands. The first key point is pressing your hands. Kick your feet and reach forward with your hands. This makes the movement much easier to execute. Step 3. Rolling. The second key point is rolling. Land your back as you roll forward. Focus on looking at your belly to maintain balance and control. Step 4. Landing. The third key point is landing. Hug your knees tightly to your chest. Avoid pressing your hands next to your hips as you land. Once you achieve a stable, tucked position, practice standing up smoothly to complete the motion. Summary of steps. Start in the ready position and squat down. Press your hands far forward. Look at your belly and round your back. Hug your knees and make your body small. You master the forward roll and improve your overall body control. From here, we will introduce the important points for each scene. These details may seem minor, but they make a big difference in quality. Understanding those points will be highly beneficial for you. Before diving into the key points of the technique, ensure safety measures are in place when practicing. Check if there are any obstacles or people nearby, and assess whether there are any risks or injury. This safety check is the most important step. Key point 1. Preparation position. Start in ready position. Keep your feet together, align your toes and heels, and focus on keeping your posture straight. This helps stabilize your balance when you squat. Open your palms wide. This allows you to push the ground strongly and helps maintain balance during the roll. Prepare your hands in front of your chest. Some people prepare with their hands in front of their stomach, but pressing them at chest or neck level allows for a better reach when planting your hands forward. Also, when in a squat position, do not round your body yet. Maintain a moderate level of relaxation. Key point 2. Pressing your hands. How to press your hands. Spread your palms fully and press them flat on the ground. Your fingers should grip the ground slightly. If you are gripping correctly, your nails will turn white. Reach for. Pressing your hands too close will make it harder for your body to move forward, reducing speed. Kick strongly and press your hands as far forward as you can within your range. Key point 3. Rolling. Lift your hips over your hands. This is the most challenging part. The key is to lift your hips directly over your hands. Kick fully. To lift your hips, it's essential to fully expand your kick. Point your toes and straighten your knees to create a smooth and powerful roll. Land your back and engage your chest. As explained in the step-by-step introductions, focus on bringing your gaze to your belly. This is meant to help you land your back. Looking at your belly is important, but using your abs around your back is even more crucial. To maintain this position, strong core muscles are essential. Key point 4. landing. Hug your knees and make your body small. Smaller shapes spin faster, so make sure to tightly hug your knees. Keep your gaze on your belly as you land. Some people lift their chin during landing. This happens when they are not engaged their abs. Focus on maintaining your gaze on your belly during your landing for better result. Practice until the standing position. Once you achieve stability in the tucked position, practice going all the way to the standing position, ready position. This is highly effective for connecting forward roll to the next move or incorporating them into dance routines. The forward roll is a skill that many people can perform right away. However, for focusing on the finer details, you will realize how important the key points are each scene. We will show you a recommended video of balance training. Using it as part of your warm-up will improve how efficiently you use your body for the day, making your practice more effective. Practicing this 1 or 2 times per week can also improve your balance significantly. Be sure to give it a try. Great job, everyone! The forward roll helps you learn the basic body movements needed for advanced skills. Engage your chest in also a very important motion in dance. It can be tricky for beginners, so be sure to practice while keeping the tips we shared today in mind. Once you mastered the forward roll, try adding some variation to make your practice even more fun. I've created a few videos to help with this, so feel free to check them out. You can find links to the related videos in the description box. Here on Spacer.tv, we're creating exciting and energetic videos to help you enjoy dance from every angle. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.